In a tribute to India's space technology prowess, Google is celebrating with a doodle today the completion of 1 month by Mangalyaan in an orbit around Mars. India's Mars orbiter mission, or Mangalyaan, Sanskrit for Mars craft, started orbiting Mars on September 24. Given that Google normally comes up with doodles to mark anniversaries, that is, annual events, this gesture of the search giant is rare. The doodle will be visible only in India. India was the first Asian country and the fourth space power after the US, Europe and Russia to send a spacecraft to Mars. It was the first country to succeed in the first attempt. At about $74 million, the Indian Space Research Organization's mission is the cheapest Mars mission to date, a fraction of the $671 million spent by NASA to send its latest probe, MAVEN, which started orbiting Mars just 3 days earlier on September 21. MAVEN also costs less than the Hollywood movie Gravity, which had a budget of $100 million. One of the ways used by Aero to hold down costs was to save on fuel by using a smaller rocket to put the spacecraft into an Earth orbit first to gain enough momentum to slingshot it towards Mars. Through its journey since November 5, 2013, when PSLV C-25 lifted off from Sriharikota with the spacecraft in its nose, MAVEN has had a perfect journey. It left the Earth orbit on December 1, 2013. As it goes around Mars in an elliptical orbit with the closest point around 420 kilometers and the farthest around 80,000 kilometers, MAVEN employs 5 sets of equipment that collectively weigh 15 kilograms to do scientific studies. Its Lyman alpha photometer measures the relative abundance of deuterium and hydrogen in the upper Martian atmosphere to understand previous presence of water on the red planet. A methane sensor is looking for sources of the gas. While the Mars color camera clicks away, a thermal infrared spectrometer studies heat emission, minerals and soil on Mars. For many months if not years, MAVEN will remain a satellite of Mars, clicking pictures and sniffing out details on the atmosphere and morphology of the red planet. Before India, various countries have launched Mars missions, but out of the 51 attempts only 21 have been successful.